Cloud Scheduler. Quick Start. Overview. Cloud Scheduler lets you set up scheduled units of work to be executed at defined times or regular intervals. These work units are commonly known as cron jobs. Typical use cases might include sending out a report email on a daily basis, updating cached data every 10 minutes, or updating summary information once an hour. You can automate everything, including retries in case of failure to reduce manual intervention. Each cron job created using Cloud Scheduler is sent to a target, where the work for the task is accomplished. The target must be one of the following types: publicly available, HTTP/HTTPS endpoints, pub/subtopics, App Engine, HTTP/HTTPS applications. In this lab, you will learn how to create a Cloud Scheduler job. Set a recurring schedule for a job. Specify a Cloud Pub subtopic as the job target. Run a job. Verify success. In Google Cloud Console environment, open Cloud Shell and authorize your account to make Google Cloud API calls, and execute the relevant commands to set the region for the resources. Task 1. Enable Cloud Scheduler API. In Google Cloud Console, from the left navigation, click on APIs and Services, and then on Library. In the search bar, type in Scheduler, then click on the Cloud Scheduler API tile. Click Enable to enable the Cloud Scheduler API for this project. Task 2. Set up Cloud Pub sub. In this task, you will create a topic and the subscriptions for that topic using Google Cloud commands. Copy the name of the topic as it might be needed in later steps. Task 3. Create a job. Visit the Cloud Scheduler page in the console. You can use the navigation menu or the search bar. Click the Create Job button. Give your job a name and optionally add a description. Specify the frequency for your job using the Unix cron format for every minute. By giving 5 stars, select your time zone. Click Continue. In the Target Type field, select Pub Subtopic from the drop-down menu. Under Select a Cloud Pub Subtopic, drop-down select the topic you created earlier, cron topic. Add a message body string to be sent to your Cloud Pub sub-target. Click Create. You now have a job that sends a message to your Cloud Pub subtopic every minute. Wait a minute or two for the job to get succeeded. Task 4. Verify the results in Cloud Pub Sub. To verify that your Cloud Pub subtopic is receiving messages from your job, enter the command in Cloud Shell. G Cloud Pub Sub subscriptions pull cron sub, limit 5. View the results. Congratulations! You do not need to know the intricacies of crontab to manage your running scripts. From a single UI or command line interface, Cloud Scheduler allows you to view and manage all your jobs. Thanks for learning with me.